Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will talk about painting tools of Adobe Illustrator. There are many painting tools like Paintbrush Tool, Mesh Tool, Gradient Tool, Eyedropper Tool, Live Paint Bucket Tool, Live Paint Selection Tool, Measure Tool, Blob Brush Tool. Now we will discuss about Paintbrush Tool. This tool is used for drawing freehand and calligraph lines as well as art, pattern and Bristol brush strokes on a path. This is a symbol of Paintbrush Tool. Mesh Tool. This tool is used to create and edit meshes and mesh envelope. This is a symbol of Mesh Tool. Gradient Tool. This tool is used to adjust the beginning and ending point and angles of gradient within object or applies a gradient to a object. We can see in the image, and this is a symbol of Gradient Tool. Eyedropper Tool. This tool is used to apply color, type and appearance attribute including effect from object. This is a symbol of Eyedropper Tool. Live Paint Bucket Tool. This tool is used to paint faces and edges of live paint groups within current paint attribute. We can see in the image. This is a symbol of Live Paint Bucket Tool. Live Paint Selection Tool. This tool is used to select faces and edges within live paint group. Show in the image Live Paint Selection Tool. This is a symbol of that. Measure Tool. This tool is used to measure a distance between 2 points. We can see in the image Measure Tool used for measure a house of the height. In the image we have seen that height of the house measure with the help of Measure Tool. This is a symbol of Measure Tool. Blob Brush Tool. This tool is used to draw paths that automatically expand and merge calligraph brush paths that share the same color and adjacent in stacking order. We can see in the image, and this is the symbol of Blob Brush Tool. Some other tools are discussed in next tutorial. Thank you.